Think the SUV craze is actually saving you money? Think again. While modern crossovers drain your wallet with complex electronics and overpriced tires, these 8 American legends prove that simplicity is the ultimate luxury. Today, we're diving into the world of bulletproof engineering, where repairs cost pennies and reliability is measured in decades. You absolutely won't believe which car took the top spot. From retired police cruisers to grandpa's favorite cruiser, these sedans make modern SUVs look like total financial scams. Number 8. The Ford Crown Victoria, manufactured between 1998 and 2011. This car was the backbone of American law enforcement and taxi fleets for a reason. Under the hood, you'll find the 4.6-liter modular V8 paired with a heavy-duty 4-speed automatic transmission. Unlike a modern SUV that requires specialized diagnostic tools for every sensor, the Crown Vic is built on a body-on-frame chassis, much like a truck, but without the high center of gravity or the massive tire replacement costs. Parts are available at every local auto store for pennies because millions of these were produced for fleets. If something breaks, you can fix it with a basic socket set in your driveway. While an SUV owner is paying thousands for a turbocharger replacement, you're spending $50 on a water pump that takes 20 minutes to swap. This car is built to handle 500,000 miles of idling and potholes. It's a tank in a tuxedo, offering a ride quality that puts modern crossovers to shame. Most people overlook this because it looks like a cop car, but that is exactly why it's so cheap to keep on the road. The sheer volume of interchangeable parts between years makes it a mechanic's dream. This is where things get interesting because the Crown Vic is just the beginning of the savings. Most people overlook this next car because it's so common, but that's actually its greatest financial advantage. Number 7. The 9th-generation Chevrolet Impala, produced between 2006 and 2013. This sedan is a masterpiece of budget-friendly engineering. Most of these came equipped with the 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. While it might not win any beauty contests, it wins the war of the wallet every single time. This car was a staple of rental fleets and government agencies, meaning the secondary market for parts is absolutely flooded. You can find replacement alternators, starters, and brake pads for a fraction of what you'd pay for a modern Chevy Equinox or Traverse. The 3500 series engine is a simple overhead valve design, which means there are fewer moving parts to fail compared to the complex dual overhead cam setups in modern SUVs. Owners frequently report hitting 300,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and the occasional coolant flush. When you compare the fuel economy and the insurance rates of an Impala to a full-sized SUV, the savings start to pile up into the thousands every year. You won't find expensive air suspension or fragile plastic turbo piping here. It's just solid, honest American iron that refuses to quit. This is where things get interesting because we're moving from the Bowtie brand to a Buick that features what many consider to be the greatest engine ever made, and the next car is even cheaper to maintain if you can find one that was well kept. Number 6. The Buick Lasaber, specifically the models from 2000 to 2005. This car reigned supreme as the king of the retirement community, and that's exactly why you should buy one. It features the legendary 3.8-liter Series 2 V6, often cited as one of the most reliable engines ever built. Paired with a smooth 4-speed automatic, this powertrain is virtually unkillable. Unlike a modern SUV that are bogged down with complex all-wheel drive systems and expensive transfer cases, the Lasaber is a straightforward front-wheel drive layout. This means fewer leak points and less weight, which translates to better fuel economy and less wear on the tires. The 3800 engine is famous for its low-end torque and its ability to run forever, even if you're a bit late on maintenance. Parts are so common that you can find them at any salvage yard for next to nothing. While your neighbor is complaining about the $4,000 bill to fix the electronics on his new luxury crossover, you will be cruising in total silence on a set of seats that feel like a living room sofa. The simplicity of the Lasaber's interior means there are no screens to black out or complicated haptic buttons to fail. It's pure, functional comfort that stays on the road while others are in the shop. Most people overlook this because of the badge, but wait until you see number 5 because it's a Ford that people actually forgot existed. Number 5. The 4th-generation Ford Taurus, sold from 1990 to 2007.
This is the unsung hero of affordable transportation. Most models were equipped with the 3.0-liter Vulcan V6 and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The Vulcan engine is an old-school iron block design that was originally developed in the 80s. It's not fast and it's not particularly high-tech, but it is incredibly durable. Because Ford produced millions of these for both retail and fleet sales, the mechanical components are some of the cheapest on the planet. You can buy a brand new radiator or an entire suspension rebuild kit for the price of a single oil change on a European SUV. These cars were designed to be abused by rental car customers and neglected by corporate fleets, so they can handle almost anything a typical owner throws at them. The interior is spacious enough to rival many small SUVs, yet the maintenance costs are significantly lower because you aren't paying the SUV tax on parts. The lack of complex electronic steering racks or variable valve timing systems means there is very little that can actually go wrong. When it does, the repair is usually a simple bolt-on job that any DIYer can handle. This car is the definition of a disposable hero, but if you treat it right, it will outlast almost anything on the road today. This is where things get interesting because the next car on our list is essentially a luxury version of our number 8 pick. Number 4, the Mercury Grand Marquis, produced from 1998 to 2011. If you love the idea of the Crown Victoria but want something that feels a bit more premium, this is your best bet. It shares the same Panther platform, the 4.6-liter V8 and the 4-speed automatic. This means you get the same legendary durability used by police departments, but often in a package that was owned by someone who actually took care of it. The body-on-frame construction makes it incredibly tough against road debris and potholes, things that would normally bend the unibody of a modern crossover. While SUV owners are dealing with expensive CVT transmission failures, you're rocking a transmission that was built to haul trailers and run for decades. Maintenance is a breeze because the engine bay is massive, giving you plenty of room to work. You don't have to drop the engine just to change a sensor like you do on some modern SUVs. The cost of ownership is further reduced by the fact that these cars are incredibly easy on their components. They don't eat through brakes or tires like a heavy four-wheel drive vehicle does. It's the ultimate long-distance cruiser that costs almost nothing to keep in top shape. But wait until you see number 3, because we are moving back to Chevy for a car that changed the game.
Number 3, the Chevrolet Malibu, specifically the 2004 to 2008 models. This car might look unassuming, but it is a masterclass in low-cost maintenance. Whether you get the 2.2-liter Ecotec 4-cylinder or the 3.5-liter V6, both are paired with the reliable 4-speed automatic. The Ecotec engine in particular is a global platform that was used in dozens of GM vehicles, meaning parts are universal and incredibly cheap. This generation of the Malibu was built on the Epsilon platform, giving it a level of structural integrity that many older American sedans lacked. However, it kept the mechanical simplicity that makes American cars so great to own. You won't find the expensive direct injection systems that cause carbon buildup in modern SUVs, nor will you find the fragile turbochargers that fail at 60,000 miles. Most people overlook this Malibu because it isn't flashy, but for someone looking to save money, it's a gold mine. The fuel economy is vastly superior to any SUV from the same era, and the insurance premiums are some of the lowest in the industry. It's a car that just works day in and day out without demanding a huge portion of your paycheck. The steering is simple, the suspension is robust, and the brakes are easy to service. This is where things get interesting because our next entry brings some muscle to the table while still being surprisingly easy on your bank account. You might think of this next car as a gas guzzler, but it's actually a reliability superstar. Number 2, the Dodge Charger, focusing on the 2006 to 2010 V6 models. When people think of the Charger, they usually think of the Hemi V8, but the V6 models are the real secret for low-cost maintenance. Specifically, the models equipped with the 3.5-liter Ecotec V6 and the Mercedes-derived 5-speed automatic transmission are surprisingly stout. This transmission, known as the NAG-1, is world-renowned for its durability and is found in everything from sprinter vans to luxury sedans. Because the Charger was built using many components from the Chrysler-Mercedes merger era, you get a rear-wheel drive sedan with a very over-engineered chassis. It's built like a tank, much like the Crown Vic, which is why it became the go-to choice for police fleets after the Panther platform was discontinued. Parts are everywhere, and because so many of these were sold, you can find high-quality aftermarket components for very little money. While an SUV of this era would likely be suffering from expensive four-wheel drive issues or suspension sag, the Charger remains composed and easy to fix. The V6 offers a great balance of power and efficiency without the complexity of cylinder deactivation found in the V8s. Most people overlook the V6 Charger because they want the speed, but if you want a cool-looking car that won't bankrupt you at the mechanic, this is the one. And the next car is the ultimate realization of American luxury and reliability. It's the top of the food chain, and it's the reason why professional drivers refuse to switch to SUVs. Number 1, the legendary Lincoln Town Car, produced from 1998 to 2011. This is the absolute gold standard of low-maintenance American sedans. It uses the same bulletproof 4.6-liter V8 and 4-speed automatic as the Crown Victoria, but with even more attention to detail. There's a reason why every airport limo and executive transport service use these for decades. They're designed to hit 500,000 miles with ease. While a modern Cadillac or German SUV is a nightmare of complicated electronics and air suspension that costs thousands to fix, the Town Car is refreshingly simple. Even the air ride in these can be easily converted to standard coil springs for a few $100s, making it a permanent fix. You get a massive trunk, a ride that feels like you're floating on a cloud, and a powertrain that is essentially indestructible. Parts are so common and so cheap that maintaining a town car often costs less than maintaining a budget subcompact car. It's the ultimate proof that you don't need a massive SUV to have space, comfort, and reliability. In fact, compared to a modern SUV, the Town Car is more comfortable, more reliable, and significantly cheaper to operate over the long haul. It's truly the king of the road for the smart buyer who values their money and wants a car that will simply never let them down. Most people overlook this because it's an older sedan, but it's the best financial decision you can make. Modern SUVs are overpriced and expensive to fix. These 8 sedans prove you can have reliability without the high cost. If you enjoyed this look at American legends, hit that like button and subscribe. Which one would you drive?